Hi, it's Handy Andy Tech Tips here. Well, Windows Notepad has certainly changed a lot over the past few years. It's been bundled with Windows for decades, but until recently it was a bare-bones text editor, and all of the fancier features were included in Wordpad. But in the 24H2 version of Windows 11, Microsoft removed Wordpad entirely, and since then it's been adding text formatting to Notepad. You can insert headings, bulleted lists, and tables, and then save your documents in the markdown or .md format. There are even AI rewriting and summarisation features, but of course, those require a Microsoft 365 Copilot subscription. Now, unfortunately, the new Notepad hasn't been without its flaws. Recently, a remote execution vulnerability was found in the markdown feature. This allowed attackers to plant a malicious link inside a document, and if the user was tricked into clicking it, it could automatically execute code without any security warnings. Microsoft quickly fixed the bug, but it makes you wonder how many other security holes are hiding in the application. So what if you want to return to the good old Notepad from Windows 10? Well, it's actually still included in Windows 11, and I'll show you how to bring it back. First, right-click on the Start menu and click Settings. Then, in the sidebar here, click on Apps. Now, click on Installed Apps. And if you search for Notepad in the list, here it is. Now you can click on Uninstall, and the new Notepad will be removed from your system. Okay, now let's open the old Notepad. Right-click on the Start menu, click Run, then type Notepad and hit Enter. And here it is. It has a banner telling you that a new version is available, but we can just get rid of that. Then it's the same old plain text editor that you know and love. Now, if I create a document and save it as a file with a text or TXT extension, it opens in Notepad just like it should. But what if I wanted to open a different kind of file? For example, I just created this HTML file, which I'll save as samplewebpage.html. And of course, if I double-clicked on it, it would bring up Edge. So instead, I'll right-click, go to Open With, choose another app, and strangely, Notepad isn't in the list. So I'll click Choose Another App on your PC, then I'll go to where I know that the Notepad program is located, so C, Windows, and scroll down, here we go, Notepad. I'll choose Open, but then we get this error. The program you have selected cannot be associated with this file type. Now, in order to fix this problem, we'll need to edit the registry. This is going to get a bit technical, so make sure you have a current backup of your computer before attempting the next section. Okay, so bring up the Run dialog again by right-clicking on the Start menu and clicking Run. Now, type regedit and press Enter. It will come up with a security warning, so just click Yes. Now, in the side pane, expand the HKey local machine folder, then go into Software, Classes, then scroll down a bit until you find Applications and expand that. And then finally, under Applications, you should find notepad.exe. Here it is. Now, when you click on that, you'll see a key in the right-hand pane called No Open With. That's what's preventing Notepad from appearing in the Open With menu. So you want to right-click on that key and click Delete. It will give you a prompt confirming whether you want to delete it, so just click Yes. And now we can right-click on the HTML file and select Open With and choose another app, and look at that, Notepad is there this time. I'll select it and then choose to use the app just once, and it opens fine. Now, I think it's a good idea to make a shortcut for Notepad on your taskbar, so I'll do that, and then it will be easier to find. And of course, if you ever want to return to the new Notepad again, it's very easy. Just go to the Microsoft Store and search for Notepad, then it will show up, and you can just install it again. Hey, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'm Handy Andy, and thanks so much for watching.